Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 11 of the July Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about today's poem. Binary tree right side view. Yeah, okay, let's take a look at see how this goes. Yeah, I mean, I don't know that there's anything, I wonder why this is a medium. I feel like with recently, they've been making the problems harder, and I think nowadays maybe this would be a easy, but I could be wrong. But yeah, I think this one is just very fundamental into learning about trees in general and what it means with respect to traversals and stuff like this, right? Yeah. And what I mean by that is that you want to do it in a way. I mean, you could do it in two cases, right? One is that you can do it reverse in order or something like that, going from the right first, and then the first answer that you have, well, that's your answer. I think I'm going to do it that way. I think that should be right. Yeah, so let's get started then. And then, but at the end of the day, you probably need to traverse the entire tree just to make sure that it goes deep enough. So yeah, so then now I'm going to write something like traversal, say, and a note. For me, the way that I'm going to do it though is by having a global-ish variable, basically an answer array, and maybe just keep track of the depth. We traverse. Yes, traverse is more the thing, the verb. But yeah, and then if node is none, we return. If answer of if length of answer is less than depth, that means that we need to put this in. Then we can do something like this, or append actually. Whoops. No dot value, and then else we will traverse. If I could spell it, no dot right, and then no dot left. I think that should be good. Well, I mean, I have to return the thing because it's good to return stuff, but oh, I forgot the depth. A lot of silly mistakes these days. I don't know what to tell you. Looks good. Let's give it a quick submit. Maybe I could test it a little bit more, but looks good. Cool. Yeah, so this is going to be linear time, linear space, because the traversal is going to be, take O of H, where H is the height, but linear in the worst case. And of course, you also need it for the answer. In terms of time, it's linear because you have to look at each node once, because you can imagine that you can't really skip any nodes, because you can imagine that on the left side there's one that goes really deeper than the right, and then it peaks out to the right. But yeah, but I think I don't think I have a great explanation about this one. Maybe a little bit of a visualization. So let me of an explanation, though maybe this is a little bit afterwards. But the idea is just that. Do I have another example? No. Okay, fine. Just say that, let's say we have someone like this, then basically the idea is that the first time you visit this node, it is you populate the answer, and then you go to the right, and you populate the answer. And because you're always going almost greedily, and even if you have a node here, say, it's always going to, basically the first node that you visit, as long as you go to the right first, will be the first node that will be on the top layer, if you will, coming from the right side. And then of course you have to go traverse the other case, because you can have a case where just goes deeper on the left, and so forth. Yeah, I mean, I don't really think there's a, I'm enjoying it for you, but I don't really have a great explanation other than this. I think this is relatively, did I not show it on screen? Okay, well, mistakes were made. Well, I was just drawing this, right? So, yeah, because basically just going one at a time to the right, and then, but also you have to take account, you have to look at every node, because you know, the one on the left subtree can go all the way down. Yeah, I don't really have, like I said, I don't know. Maybe I don't know how to explain this one that well, because I think this is, you know, pretty fundamental, pretty necessary. Like these kind of problems will come up on your interviews, so, or maybe harder versions of it even. So definitely practice this. And if you have questions, let me know in the comments below. And wait, is my streak? Did I submit it? Did submit it. Maybe let me refresh. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Maybe I could do a little bit better on this one, but okay. There we go. It just doesn't, the pop-up's bugged again maybe. Or maybe I have a pop-up ad blocker thing. Cool. That's all I have with this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and have a great week. Also, I keep forgetting to say it, but for my Muslim friends, and I hope I say this correctly, Eid Mubarak to all my to people who celebrated, and you know, hope y'all just have, you know, very awkward here, but you know, hope everyone's okay. Anyway, that's all I have. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later. Bye bye.